Hello, I am the Queen of Hearts. Welcome to the 2-day Alice in Wonderland Collaboration, brought to you by the amazing Taslima Maya Art and Betty of Oak by Bettina. All of their hard work is greatly appreciated. They will maintain their heads. I am also here to find who it was that tainted my royal roses with red paint. Was it you? If it was, you know what's going to happen, don't you? Off with your head! Now, we also have some very important business to take care of today. We are celebrating some April birthdays. They are Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Also, Sudha of Artists Resin. Don't forget, Creations by Tonja. We also have the very important man of the hour, our very own Prince Charming, Byron Chandler. Also, the birthdays of Julie E. of Art by Julie E. and Gert of Gert Creates. Each and every one of them are included in this collaboration. Be sure to go and check out their YouTube channels and subscribe. They are all artists in their own right. Byron Chandler, happy birthday to you. Did you taint my royal roses with red paint? If so, it's off with your head. If not, then let's celebrate, shall we? Everybody, let's party! Oh, and enjoy the video. Let's Pour with Patty did a special piece just for you. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us for this amazing Disney Alice in Wonderland art collaboration. 2 days with 15 amazing artists. Up next after me is the amazing Sudha from Artist Resin. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, keep creating. Bye.